myself, KTM, BMW. Yes. Ah, this is cool. Ja, wat vet is het
Lekker. Ja, nee, ik ga eventjes, hier is Roger.
Ja, wir haben gestern, vorgestern haben wir einen anderen getroffen von Argentina mit den Japan, mit der 50er. No, it's only whiskey cola mix.
Gulligan.
Hippies.
No, that's okay. Close it. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
That's
very scary for me.
With the petrol and those things, yeah, just to get warm.
No, I'm more concerned.
For the bikes or for the forest or?
I'm from Canada. This is.
Well, you have a lot of forest there.
And I will postage. I will when I need a new bike, maybe in Alaska or so, maybe 150,000 k's or so all the time when I travel. I will keep this bike. I send this bike to Germany to my friend by sea freight. I put it in a crate. I send it to them. All the bikes what I need on my way around the world. I send this to my friend.
Come on.
I'm farting all the time.
Actually, how many are we here? More than 20.
I see some from inside coming to the water.
So actually, in the beginning we were only 4, but now it's much more.